Okay, we're going to just do a short video here on how to fade things in and out on a PowerPoint slide. So I'm just going to use text. So first I'm going to do is go up to here and go to Insert Text Box. And we'll just draw a text box out here. And we'll put a bit of text. And then what we need to do is go to Slideshow and Custom Animation. And you'll see this box appear on the right hand side. Okay, we need to add effect, and we go to the entrance, and then we choose more effects because fade isn't in this 5 here. So we choose more effects, and this box will appear, and you see down the bottom this one that says fade. So we click OK. And what we can do at any point is click the play button down here, and it will show you the actual animation happening. So if we click play, we see the slide show, we see the fade appearing there. What we'll want to do now though is we'll want it to fade out and then another bit of text to come in. So the first thing I'll do now is create the fade out on this as well. So we can click here, and if we get the text box open like this, we'll add an effect again, and this time we want to do the exit, and we really do the same thing as we did with the entrance. Fade isn't in the top 5 here, so we change to more effects, and we go down into the box and choose fade. Okay, so what's happening now, first thing it's going to do is fade up, and then the second thing it's going to do is fade out. Now if you look in the custom animation box in the side here, you'll notice that the start on each one is set to on click. So that means every time you click this would happen. So your first click, the text would fade up, and your second click, the text would fade out. What we really want to do is we're going to fade it up and then fade it out automatically. So we're going to change it from, for the second one, we're going to change it from on click to after previous. And that means that after it's faded up, it's going to fade out again. So again, we can click play and watch how the text appears, and then it fades away again. And what we'll do now is we'll just do the same but just with more text. So we'll insert a new text box here, and we'll say this is my second text. Again, we want to do a custom animation. We want it to fade in, so we add the effect. Now you see, because we've used fade already, it's now appearing in our top ones here, so we don't have to click on more effects. So I can click fade there, and again we don't want it on click, we want it after the first bit of text is faded out, so we'll change that to after previous. And what it does, it looks for the one before, which is the shape one fading out, and it'll then fade that in. And we'll also add the fade out as well, so we go to exit, and again the fade's now appearing in our top list, and so that'll fade out. And so if we now click play to test it, first text fades in and fades out, and then the second text fades in and then fades out again. And you just repeat the process for as many items of text as you want to fade things out one after the other. But remember to change, instead of on click, again if you notice this second one is set to an on click, you can see the mouse icon here instead of the clock icon. So what we want to do is change that to after previous. So the very first thing is a click to bring the text up, and the rest of the things all happen just with a fade, just with a timer after the event before it.